Today I'll be making buttercream frosting for cupcakes. This frosting really brings out the taste in my cupcakes and it tastes absolutely delicious. The recipe for this cupcakes I'm using in today's video will be linked down below. So let's start off with the ingredients. The ingredients I'll be using are confectionery sugar, butter, milk, vanilla extract, and sprinkles. But again, sprinkles are optional. First, what we're going to do is get 113 grams of butter. With this, 2 cups of confectionery sugar. You want to beat the butter until it's soft. Now add sugar a little by little. This may take a while. Now we'll be adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract. With this, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of milk, and we're only going to add about a teaspoon in. Adding the milk determines the softness of the buttercream frosting. You want to scrape the sides. I do not feel that the texture is right though, so I'll be adding another teaspoon of milk. Next, we're going to beat again. I do think this consistency is now perfect. Now you want to scrape sides to get this frosting ready. Now it's the frosting time. Get a piping bag and a tip. And place the tip inside the piping bag. The design is optional. It's your choice which one you'll be using. To make this process easier, I suggest putting your piping bag into a glass cup. This helps pouring the buttercream frosting in. Next, you're going to pour in the buttercream frosting. Our frosting is now officially ready. If you do not have a piping bag nor tip, you can do this. Simply take a butter knife and spread the frosting on your cupcake. This may not look the neatest, but it does taste the same and as delicious. I'd like to top this off with adding a few sprinkles. This is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys enjoyed the taste of it. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends.